and then now, bam. You know what, I wish they would allow like a delay in plane mode, because I don't know that you can get a delay before the trims kick in. Yeah, I think in helicopter land it's possible, but in plane land it's not. But maybe I don't want that, because right now it's immediate and it's perfect. Take it off.
I'll come a little behind you. Take off a little behind you.
Take off with
Timer cleared.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna turn.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Dude.
What?
These are the packs to fly
Gear
this
down.
thing.
Better?
Gear up.
Yeah.
I told you it'd probably be better because of the weight. It looks happier.
Oh yeah, baby. These are the packs for this. Listen to that. And the load.
Yep, I know, and that's because of that extra discharge rate. Capacity does that. Oh, it sounds better. You got way more thrust.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Flipping the wings.
Speed mode, ooh. I gotta let you go below me.
Yeah, it's
Ooh-wee.
oh yeah, baby.
That's 3 FMS fans.
Dude, I'm sipping the wings as I'm turning.
As
I'm
you're
like,
turning,
let's
yeah.
go, baby. Oh yeah, this thing's a pussy
It's
cat.
much better with the weight, huh?
Dude, it loves these packs.
And you're
All right. Thank you.
stay down below you.
Yeah, it went on a focus and it would come back
30
and then it
seconds.
would go away.
Woo-wee.
It's nice and slow, Ricky. That was full.
9, 8, 5,
I love it though.
3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Oh no.
Nice.
That sounded cool. Dude, listen. 22.4 under load. I'm coming in.
Gear down.
Whoa.
You okay?
An 80 million, a twin 80 outlasted.
Landing flaps.
Yeah.
What?
Hell yeah. For sure. I was going. It's the same motor too. You killed it, man. That's a good setup. It's the parallel. Doing it in parallel is where all your flight time came from. You got some sync right there. That thing looks amazing, Frank. I'm gonna try to get some more video on my camera. Look at that.
Oh yeah, these are the packs for this plane.
The 6500? Give me a good pass. How many?
22.3.
Under load. Dude, that's pretty damn good. Whoa, the sink right there. Same thing to me.
Frank just impacted the transom of the boat. I'm still playing with my flap. I gotta tune my flap right.
That was pretty good though. But I did the same thing. You heard me. I had to punch it at the last second.
Dude,
It's better.
I love this thing. Holy cow!
But see, your setup is the right way because now you've got all of that extra discharge capacity.
And I can keep going.
What's
I'm
it at?
23 volts.
That's nothing. You're good. You had another minute easy.
Yeah, dude, I flew 5 minutes.
4,000 batteries in there. It's a whole different platform.
Dude,